Check out this 2004 Lexus RX 330. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are heated seats, leather upholstery, moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, automatic headlights and brake assist. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.